Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to increase boldness of text in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a text. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click and drag it. Now change the boldness. Double click and show these options. Apply any text and use boldness. Click this option narrow. Now see this many options. I use always for eyes boldness black and double click, hold alt R, right arrow key, click effects, stroke, select stroke color black or text color, then increase the boldness. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.